Hello everyone, I am Said and welcome back to my channel Said. We're interested to compare the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Oneplus Nord 2 versus the Poco F3 GT device. So this is going to be second speed test which I'm going to do between these both phones, friends. Before I did include complete 10 games only, but this time I'm including 20 applications. Yes friends, 20 applications. Let's see whether which UI will be able to manage loading this kind of 20 applications in the background. That is what I'm going to exactly check in this entire video. So first let's start with the reboot test. Let's see which phone will be able to reboot faster. We do know, I think sorry, I did click it wrong time. Just a little bit late on this Poco F3 GT device. So I did do the couple of speed tests as well. So by this time you will definitely have an idea which phone will be able to boot up faster. And the main reason why I selected the 20 applications is because in the games the OnePlus Nord 2 is not performing that great, because few of the users that did mention that can you please try with the normal day-to-day applications, because they want to know how is the day-to-day applications performing in this phone in terms of the RAM management, how many applications this phone can actually store. So that is what I'm going to check in this video, friends. That is the reason, main point why I did do this kind of 20 applications only speed test. 20 applications, as you can see up. So these are the very normal applications which we use every day-to-day usage. That's it. Let me quickly show you the Wi-Fi connection, what type of Wi-Fi I'm trying to connect during this time of testing. So I'll try to connect to the 5 GHz network. So yes, 5 GHz in both phones are connected fine, completely. As you can see, in both phones 5 GHz network is completely connected. Let me try to quickly clear all the background applications. So all the background applications are completely clean right now. It's completely done. And one more quick note, some of the users from the OnePlus Nord 2, they did mention me to use the high performance mode during the process of demonstration. Let me turn on the high performance mode. I'm just trying to turn on because as the subscribers, they did request me to use this kind of feature. So first let's start with the Chrome application. Let's see, friends, which phone will be able to open this day-to-day applications faster and which UI is really optimized to store this many applications in the background memory. That is going to be really very interesting and challenging. Let's start with the first game. First application is the Google Chrome, and second is speed test. In the speed test, we did see the Poco F3 GT did open the speed test application faster. Let me need to start the speed test, and I'm trying to use high refresh rate. Yes, both phones I'm trying to use the high refresh rate only, 90 Hz and 120 Hz without any problem. So I just want to keep this speed test results in the background. That is the reason of me doing this kind of speed test side by side at same time. Let's see, friends, opening 20 applications is not a joke. So 20 applications, only a few UIs will be able to perform really great in keeping all the 20 applications. The speed test has been completed successfully, and let's move to the next is Play Store. In the Play Store, I'll try to keep some other game in the background in the Play Store as well. Next is Facebook, not bad. Instagram, good. And Flipkart, not bad at all. Paytm, yes. The Poco F3 GT little bit faster, I think, little bit. If I try to turn off, let me try to start again. So maybe because of the incognito window, that is the reason you may not be able to see the results properly. But this time you did see the results. I'm trying to keep my channel in the background, as you can see, friends. And next is Zoom, not bad. WhatsApp. These are the basic everyday applications only I did include, not any kind of heavy applications. So very basic applications and some music applications, camera. So first the Poco F3. So now let's see, friends, gallery, which phone. Yeah, this phone. I did take plenty of shots. I'll try to do the camera review as well on this Poco F3 GT very soon. Stay tuned for those videos. Amazon Prime videos, both phones are able to open exactly at same time, no problem. Amazon Prime, next Amazon application, back-to-back Amazon only. And next is clock, Netflix. I think the Poco F3 GT, yes, slightly faster. Myntra, both phones are same. Messenger, both are same. So now finally I did open 20 applications completely in background in both phones. So this is going to be really interesting, friends, really very interesting. As you can see, completely all the applications are completely open from the beginning of Google Chrome. As you can see, from the Google Chrome to till the end of the applications, everything is completely open. And now I'm going to start this kind of RAM checking from the back side. I'll try to come back from the back side. Now let's see how many applications will be in the background memory in both phones. So it's going to be really interesting to see. So yep. So I think for the applications it should not take that much kind of RAM. So only for the games the RAM management is really hard to manage, so many games, but the applications it should not be that kind of issue, I think so, hopefully, fingers crossed. So let's see. Yes, till now both phones are performing really great, not bad. Yes, camera directly open, YouTube, yes. So 2 rows, total 10 applications got successfully opened in both phones without any kind of refreshing, without any kind of problem at all. Next, move to the third level. So level 3, yes, level 3 did reach, not bad. Yes, that's fantastic. Wow. So level 3 also finished. Both phones they did clear in terms of the RAM management, in terms of keeping all these applications in the background. That's fantastic, friends. That's really good to see. Next is level 4, which is Instagram. Perfect. Facebook, perfect. Play Store also perfect. That's good, not bad. Speed test, not perfect. The Poco F3 GT did get the speed test results, as you can see. That is the reason I did do the speed test. If you remember starting, I did the speed test because I just want to see these results will be in the background RAM management or not. And next is the Chrome. Chrome also did not get refreshed in this phone. So not bad, friends. I think the Oneplus Nord 2 did a very great job. Till 18 applications it was able to load properly without any kind of issues, because in the game it did struggle a lot because only 5 games were able to open in this phone. So in terms of the application, there should not be any kind of issues, I guess so. So in this kind of test, the clear winner is the Poco F3 GT device in terms of opening all the 20 applications completely from the background RAM management without any kind of issues. Now, third test is to do the random opening applications. So now I'll try to open very fast just to see any kind of lag, whether you can notice or not. I'll try to open randomly application just to see, just observe the lag or delay or any kind of freezing applications issues. I just want to be really fast in terms of opening this kind of speeds. Randomly I'm trying to open. Just to check how fast the phones can actually react. I'm trying to cover each and every layer as well. So all these 4 layers I need to cover exactly. Not bad till here. In the runtime test, they were able to perform really great job, friends. So overall, the Oneplus Nord 2, maybe for the day-to-day task, it may not be having that kind of issues, I would say, in terms of RAM management. But when it comes to the games, maybe. When it comes to the games, that may be the another big question mark. So I need to see more. I need to do more testing on this one, on the games in the Oneplus Nord 2. So this is a quick review, friends, on this both phones in terms of the RAM management and the speed test. And the final winner is the Poco F3 GT in terms of having the really good RAM management, which can actually load all the 20 out of 20. And the OnePlus Nord 2 also not bad. So this kind of really good as expected. Yeah, better than the results what we thought before. So while gaming and while doing normal applications is completely different. Yes, that is the reason I included only 20 applications. I did not include any kind of games. That is the reason. So thank you for watching this video, friends. Overall, for the day-to-day task, it should not cause any kind of issues in the OnePlus Nord 2. That is the final conclusion I can definitely give you after seeing this kind of speed test. Even you must be having the clear idea, because average user will be keeping maybe 10 to 15 applications in the background, not 20. But I just want to be as a future-proof option. I just want to push the limits. That is the reason. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. I'll then stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, check the playlist and subscribe. Bye.